Hey y'all, I wanted to step outside and give you this quick kitchen tip because it's related to being outside. This is something I couldn't master when I was raising my children, but I kind of figured out a way to do it that I want to share with you, and maybe you can figure out a way to put it into your regiment. When you're in your kitchen and you're cooking, let's say you're baking a cake, you're roasting a chicken, you got some oxtails in the oven, and this is for things that you have in the oven, not when you have stuff on the stove, because you got to watch that stuff on the stove. But when you've got food that's cooking, 35, 45 minutes, an hour, take that time that thing is in the oven and come out into your yard or on your porch or whatever and try to get you some steps in. I'm outside right now because I've got two Cornish hens in the oven, and I'm going to walk about 500 steps and then go in and check my beat and then come out and walk a few more hundred steps. This is a good way to get your step count in for the day and work on your health at the same time that you are cooking. I couldn't master this when I was dealing with my kids and stuff, and so hindsight is 2020. And as I rethink some of the things that I could have done that I didn't do, I want to share those with you. So it really is a kitchen tip, because people always ask me, why do I always have on workout clothes and why I don't have on makeup and stuff when I'm doing my videos, my food videos. And it's because during the course of the time while I'm cooking, I always take a break when I can get a break in from something being in the oven to come outside and get me some steps in. And to me, at my age, that's more important than being pretty on camera, y'all. It's just more important. Okay? So I want to encourage y'all to do that. Get you some steps in however you can get them in. And one way to do it is when you got food in the oven, you're still on your property, you come outside, you get your few steps in, you go back in, check your food, come back outside, get your few more steps in. And that way, you're working on feeding your family something good and healthy to eat, and you're working on your own health and fitness. I hope you enjoyed these tips, and I'll continue to make them. And y'all go ahead and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now.